Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here today we are going to discussing about one of the important topic which is very important as CSR NET exam is to be concerned, that is structural and numerical alterations of chromosomes. As we all know that in a cell at the nucleus there are different types of chromosomes we present. A set of chromosomes are there, and changes in the chromosomes lead to mutation, and this mutation lead to various alterations. So how the chromosome get altered, that we will discuss here. So just see, there are various types of mutations, like chromosomal mutation that takes place, chromosomal rearrangement, that is alteration number of structure of chromosomes. Okay, alteration of structure of chromosome is due to either deletion of the chromosome, or a part of chromosome is get deleted, otherwise it is get duplicated, otherwise it is get inverted. So duplication, deletion and inversion, these are the chromosomal rearrangement. And another is the aneuploidy, where number of chromosomes is altered, where one or more individual chromosomes are either added or they are get deleted. Last one is the polyploids, where one or more complete set, okay, this is very important, complete set of chromosomes are added. Okay, in case of yeast, when it is not mature, one n, that is only one nucleus two copies are present, that is called as diploid. Likewise, triploid, like three copies, four copies, polyploid conditions are there. So let's see duplication. In a duplication, a segment of chromosome is get duplicated. So suppose this is a chromosome A B C D E, where centromere and FGH. So this B and C duplication takes place, and then you will see that there is a part of that chromosome is get duplicated, and the length of chromosome is get increased. So there is two ways, that is either tandem duplication, where duplicated region is immediately adjacent to the original segment, and one another way where the duplicated region you can find at another site. Okay, or duplicated segment is located away from the distance from the original segment, on either on the same chromosome or other on different another type of chromosome. Second type of chromosomal alteration is deletion, where a segment of chromosome is deleted. You can see in this example, the D part of the chromosome is get deleted, and due to deletion you cannot see D in this altered chromosome. Sorry. So this is on another chromosome, where deletion which removes a chromosomal segment. Next is the inversion, where a segment of chromosome becomes inverted. So here in this arrangement, B, C and D are there, but after inversion you can see the sequence A D C B E F G H. So 180-degree turn is there, that is a segment of chromosome becomes inverted into 180-degree. So next is the translocation. In translocation, a chromosomal segment moves from one chromosome to a non-homologous chromosome or another place. M, N, O, P, Q and R. So either this B, A and B part is either change on the same chromosome, or you can see on the different chromosome. So this is called as translocation. Okay, homologous translocation or reciprocal translocation. Next is the aneuploidy. It is the presence of abnormal number of chromosomes in the cell. For example, a human cell having 45 or 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Okay, increase in number of chromosomes is called as aneuploidy. And last one is the diploidy or polyploidy, where the condition in which normally diploid cell or organism acquires one or more additional set of chromosomes. It is a haploid set, it is a diploid, then triploid where three copies present, tetraploid where four copies, that is called as 4n. So this is all about chromosomal alterations. If you have any queries, just ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.